Hello, hi everyone. I'm glad everybody is back. I'm just cross-checking the internet and all, and seems very fine. Again, a very good evening, good morning, and good afternoon to various people in different countries. A very warm welcome. So, how was your week? Okay, so I think we enjoyed in the last session, and I think in the last session I have given in the feedback form. I have given one question to everyone. That is, what do you wanted to learn in later classes? So one of the most maybe I can say asked question was focus on some defending techniques and focus on some mainly on middle game tactics. Okay, so whoever has asked the question of getting the middle game tactics, today is the topic. Topic is very interesting. In the last two seen in strategy how to develop a piece in the middle game, mainly the bishops and knights in the middle game. Now is almost similar to that topic, but it is not exactly the same. Today's topic is like the knight. Okay, coming to the knight, if you see, we in this particular position, there is only one knight on the board. Okay, but still, the knight will save our day. Today's caption is a knight will save the day. Okay, so today's topic is the knight saves a day. Okay, that means a knight sometimes can save your entire game. Like you might lose every possible piece that you have, but your knight will save the game. That is my today's topic, and which is one of my favorites pieces in the game. Like obviously, all like everybody will have their own strengths. My strength, I can say, is minority attacks. That is the bishop and knight combination. So I have chosen this knight maneuvering. Let me put it: knight f6, king h2, knight d2, king h1, knight f1, h2 is forced, and knight g3, checkmate. So this is something my concept is saving our day. Like just a knight, it is one knight can save the entire game. That is our today's topic. And one more thing, maybe few new entries. As I said, everybody can use the chat box to chat with me. Nobody is allowed to speak with me. And also, everybody, please try to mm, uh, uh, be patient if you're not getting the answers or if you're unable to get these solutions or something. It's cool, and I will be sending you the video and a certificate and the feedback form after tomorrow, today after the class. Everybody can download the course certificate. And I just wanted to announce the last week winners. I think I promised something that they are going to win us. I thought I will write an email, but I thought if I announce now it will be more useful for everybody. Like they can be announced in front of every. So I have chosen the last week winners. Let me announce very soon. So are you ready to get know who are the winners? To know who are the winners, guys, come on, tell me. Winners in the sense the most participated students. It is not, they might be correct, they might be wrong, but the most participated students in the webinar last week I would like to announce. And all the winners, whoever I'm reading, please mail me or WhatsApp me regarding that you want a prize and how to claim. I will send you the procedure after the class how to claim. And just a second, guys, let me. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the last class winners. I have saved it somewhere. Okay, the last class winners are, the first winner is Abhinav Tirthala. The second winner is Chakri Bolagani. The third winner is Ishan Pandian. The fourth winner is Akshaj P. And the fifth winner is Angad Ahuja. Congratulations to winners. So I'm typing the names to everyone. One second. The first winner is Abhinav Thitala. The second winner is Chakri Bulgani. The third winner is Ishan Pandian. And the fourth winner is Akshaj P. And there is Angad Ahuja. Congratulations to all the winners. And okay, so let us start. Okay, okay, guys. So let us. And one more thing, this is more of. Can everybody hear me? One student cannot hear me. Guys, can you everybody hear me? Okay, fine. Everybody can hear me. That's good. Okay, fine. So this is why to play, and today's session is more of theoretical, like more of practical session than of theoretical session. The topic is one night will save the day. Okay, so I need complete answer, guys. I don't want one more entire answer. Many people are just writing one more answer. Arav Nambi are correct. Ria correct. Complete answer. Please write complete answer. Jashwant Kumar Challa, you're right, but there is one more move for black. This is more into practical session, so everybody please be participate to today's session. Also, we'll have some prizes. Angad Dahuja, you just came. And you got a prize of active participating in the last class. Even Chakri, you got a prize. I think you guys just came. In the last class active participations list, I just announced Angad and Chakri. You both are there in the list. Abhinav Titala is there, Akshaj is there, Angad is there. Okay, guys, it is not Nidhi Nagumulla wrong. Nubaid Khan correct. It is Mudad mate, where we are again using our knight. Queen e6 check, king f8, queen f7 checkmate. And if king h8, knight f7 check, king g8, knight f6 check, king f8, queen g8 check, rook into g8, knight f7 checkmate. It's a smoother mate, but my concept is knight, the value of knight. So again, I'm repeating the today's session. The today's session is the night will one night will save your day. The night will save your day. That means we are trying to use our night in questions. I really strived so hard to get these examples for you so that you will understand the importance of the night in the game. Okay. Okay, guys, it is white to play. This might be slightly easier, but it's okay. We will do it then. I'll slowly increase the level of the problems because I am aiming to all the levels of the students. Chakri, I don't want one more answers. Guys, I need a clear cut answer till you get some winning positions. Angad Dahuja, I don't want one more answers. Write complete answer till you get a clear winning position. Please write clear answers till you get a position. Wait, many people were answering me c7. If bishop into c7, knight c6. Very good. I really appreciate your efforts. Okay. But my question was, what if queen into c7? And what if king into c7? There are many options. I need all the answers that has to be written. And one more thing. Yes, the first move is c7. Okay. King into correct. If queen, Srijan Mashetti correct. If queen into c7, what guys? Like I'm showing you, if bishop into c7, it is knight c6. The power of the knight is coming into the picture. If king into c7, knight e6, again the power of the knight is coming into picture. But if queen into c7, how are you going to, you know, get something? No, guys, no, no. Think, think a little deeper. You are queen down, so you have to be extremely careful. Nobody wrote the correct answer till now. Guys, okay, it's a kind of maybe a luring I can call knight c6, where if king b7, okay, let us first talk about king a8. If king a8 or king c8, it was very simple. It is rook c8, and if king b7 directly, okay, uh, it is rook f7, queen into f7, knight d8, bishop into d8 is forced, and it's a stalemate. This is the trick here. Okay, Arav, correct. White to play, guys. Srijan, very good. First move is correct, but later on what? Anga Dahuja, correct. First move is correct. Guys, one more thing. Arav, are you sure? Arav Nambiar? Correct. Good, Arav. Arav Nambiar, correct. Who else wants to write this? I can see everybody's messages. You need not type every time. I can see everybody's messages, but to the correct answers, please. Try to understand. Niha's wrong. Arnav Chittibabu wrong. What is that 010110? Pranav Sai Duvarapu. Guys, come on, think. Nobody, only one correct answer till now. Come on, you can do it. Ishan, I need complete answer. Till that, it is correct. First move is Queen C7 check, King A8, and there is a beautiful Queen sacrifice to save the game. And again, one knight saved our game. This one knight saved our game. Like King B8, Knight A6 check, King B8, Knight C7 check, King A8, Knight A6 check. In case if he takes B into A6, it's a stalemate. So again, the caption of the day: a knight will save the day. A knight will save the day. Okay, so it is white to play. White had just played King C8. Okay, and now it's black. Black's turn. What can black play here? The best move here in this position is knight to d4, and then b5 check, knight into b5. Here, if they make a queen to be simply, we will take it. So they promoted to knight and gave a check, king b6, and knight d7, and it's a draw. Like we will simply take the opponent will simply take the rook. So again, in this position, both white and black has used their knights to save the game. Okay, this is white to play, and how will white continue? In just one move, the pawn is becoming queen, guys. Think. In just one move, the pawn is becoming queen. Please see. Nobody answered till now correctly. It's again the knight will save our game. We may not win the game, but at least try for a draw. Guys, come on, think. Please use the chat box to chat with me in case any new students come, they might not know. Use the chat box to chat with me. You cannot talk to me. Use the chat box to chat with me. It's white to play and save the game. At least a stalemate will help you. White to play and do at least a stalemate. It's white to play. One move, the pawn is becoming queen, so it's very difficult for us to win the game. So white to play and at least try to save the game. Arnav wrong. Rook d5 is wrong. Arnav, you're concentrated on previous puzzle, but please concentrate on now the puzzles that now that is going on, yeah. Okay, who will tell this? It is white to play. No, guys, I'm telling you, you have to lose all your pieces. Then only it can be possible to draw the game with the concept of stalemate. Okay, and stalemate has to be forced. So first forced move is f7. We are forcing our opponent pawn to, get promoted to queen. So bishop into f7 is forced, and now bishop to a2, and bishop into a2 is again something which is forced, and now knight to b3. Again, we have given our knight. Promote this to queen because it's a check. Uh, okay, so it's bishop into a3, b3, and now king into a3, and it's a stalemate. The reason is if he doesn't promote, he's losing it. If he promotes, it's a stalemate. It's a stalemate. So we saved our game. So again, the knight on a4 saved a game. Somebody is asking me how it is a stalemate. Why it is not a stalemate? Now, what is the move for white? Where the white can go? White can't go anywhere. Guys, please think and ask some questions, meaningful questions. Where the king can move, it is white to play. Ah, okay. Some good question here. Why can't we under promote? It's a good question. Very good. Who is asking that? Nihas and Chakri and Harika. Correct. Very good. It's an excellent question. First, you have to understand that it is a double attack. So if you promote a rook or queen, it's a stalemate. And if you promote a knight or a bishop, you are simply taking the bishop on b3. Like let us say the promotion is a knight, we will simply take the bishop. Tarun Sai, uh, okay, Tarun Sai, if the king moves somewhere like king c4, let us say king into a3, again it's a double attack. And now if he promotes to queen, you are losing the queen back. And let us say the same position maybe something like king d6 far away without any hurdle. We'll simply play and stop the pawn becoming queen, and we will take this pawn. Like if he promotes to queen, we will take it and take the pawn on a3. Good questions. I really appreciate them. It's white to play, guys. Arav Reddy, that's what I told. Pawn promotion tonight also we are taking the bishop on b3. Arav, yes. Neha is correct. It is white to play, guys. Come on, think. Arav, a kind of. Okay. Many people started writing me. 1 second. Let me just change an option of promotion. One second, guys. Let me. I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to use this here. How we change. Yeah, I got it. Thanks. So if they promote to knight, everybody started writing king into h8, and we are simply a rook down, and we are losing the game. So the first move is bishop d4, check. I mean, double attack, maybe whatever. Bishop into d4. Now f8 equals to knight. The difference I will tell you. Now if king h8, let us say, for instance, knight e6, again a double attack, and we are winning either of them. Let us say rook d5, king c6, again rook has to move somewhere, and we are getting the knight. And again our knight has saved the game because the rook versus knight is a draw. And king g8 instead of king h8, but still it remains the same. Knight e6, rook d5, king c6, and it's a draw. The reason is rook versus knight endgame is a draw because rook cannot win. There is no possible way to win if we have a knight and opponent have a rook. The rook cannot win. Very few cases it is possible, but being the knight in the center, I don't think it's quite practically possible. So by now I hope you understood the intensity of the class and the level of the class. So I don't think anybody is answering correctly. Please try to take your time, do it. It is white to play. Anybody who wants whose turn, there is a white dot on the corner of right hand corner of the screen. If it is white dot, it is white to play. If it is black dot, it is black to play anytime. Now it's white to play, and maybe in again the same situation. In one move, it is becoming queen. So how can you save your game? Somebody writing knight c2. What is this here? Bishop into c2. And again, I'm telling you, it has to be a kind of stalemate. Nobody is correct till now. I'll tell you, I'll give you an example. We have to lose these two pieces by the time opponent is having queen. Okay. So now we will see. Like if the queen has to be here controlling this diagonal and the bishop has to be in this diagonal. When we lost both our pieces, see guys, I'm telling you, when we lost both our pieces, the queen and the bishop has to be in these two diagonals, and then it is a stalemate. The reason is white king cannot escape anywhere else. Okay. I think Akash, we wrote it correctly. Very good, Akash. Excellent. Only one person has written it correctly till now. And Sayant Krishna, correct. Very good. Arav Reddy, correct. Very good. Nubaid Khan, wrong. Change the move order. Your entire answer is correct, but move order is wrong, Nubaid. Nidhi, your answer is correct, but try to change your notation. I mean, the move order. Sri Aditya Vadadi, correct. Very good, guys. Excellent. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It's rookie 8 and b1 equals queen. Rook e1, queen into e1, knight c2. If he doesn't take knight into e1, it's a draw. So if bishop into c2, it's a stalemate. Very good, very good. I think by now you might like I have a couple of questions initially earlier that how come this is a knight course. Now I think you would have understood the uh, difference about the knight. It's a very fantastic night place. Arav, happy now? Okay, so again, a very interesting exercise. It's white to play. Arav Reddy, very good. The same thing, Nihas. What is there? Our idea is to sacrifice our rook. Ishan Sharma, very good. Ishan, everybody, one thing, most of you are registering under your parents' names while you are entering the first name and last name in the webinar registration. I request everybody to register in your name, okay, and email with your parent email and your name, okay. Most of you are registering with your parent emails. I'm like, it's getting very difficult for me to understand who is who. It is white to play, guys. Somebody is answering me. Very good, Arnav. Nidhi, I think you are almost correct. Very good, very good, very good. Most of you have written this correctly. It's e8 equals knight. E8 equals knight check, king to c8, and now queen c3, queen into c3, knight d6 check, king d8, c7 check, queen into c7 check, knight b7, and whatever opponent is going to play in the next move, it's going to be a stalemate. If whatever opponent is going to play, next move is a stalemate because it's a check. The only two options is queen into b7. It's like draw due to insufficient material. With two knights, nobody can checkmate. Or you can go with king to e7. Then it's a stalemate. White king cannot go anywhere. White king cannot go anywhere. Like if the king escapes somewhere, and it's a stalemate. Excellent, guys. Okay, white to play again. Rahman, I that is the reason I am telling you every time whenever you are asking some question, I request you to check because now Queen C8 is not a move, it is under check. The knight is checking the king. Okay. Every time you're asking a question without you are either foreseeing or not seeing at all. White to play, guys. Okay, white to play, please tell, guys. I think Arav Reddy is correct. No, wrong. Okay, guys, I'm showing you the. You want some time? The first move is knight to b6, sacrificing above another knight also, and queen into d4, for instance. Let us say it's very easy. We are repeating the position: knight check, king moves, knight check, king moves, knight check, king moves, draw. Okay, and knight b6. If queen into a5. Okay, here knight c6 check. It's a double attack, so he has to forcefully take it. And now c5, and again knight c8 can come, and so whatever opponent plays, like queen has to move somewhere. Let us say he took the queen. Now knight c8 check, king a8, knight b6 check, king comes, knight check, king goes. Again it's a draw. And after, instead of that, if he takes away the knight, king into, and we are capturing both the pawns. The king is far away to support both the pawns. So the first move is knight b6 here, and then knight c6 is a very important move. And maybe after knight b6, instead of queen into d4 or queen into a5, just some random move with the be something like queen c3. Still, it is the same: knight, 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 and all. And let us so this it. And here after maybe queen into d4, knight to c8, king moves, knight b6. If queen into b6 here, we are winning. A into b6 and we are winning. We will simply push, push, and then he will take. We will push, push, and make a queen and win the game. So in this position, practically nobody can win the game. So knight b6 is a stalemate in chances or threefold repetition chances. And again, the knight saved our day. So it is white to play, guys. Come on, think. I don't think anyone is correct till now. Okay, I think Ria correct. So the first move is knight g6 check, as everybody has written, and if at all king h5, it's just a threefold repetition. Knight e7, king moves, knight g6. So king h3, queen h7 check, and now bishop h4 is the only move. Queen into h4, queen into h4. If knight into h4, we are losing. Black has two passed pawns and black is simply winning. So here again, the knight saved the day. How? Come on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm giving you a clue. It is either a threefold repetition or a stalemate. Either it's a threefold repetition draw or a stalemate. Who will answer me? Come on, quick, guys. You have to be really quick. It's a very easy one. Threefold repetition draw or a stalemate. Okay. Akshaj, Arav, Nihas, Nubayt, Sriyaditya, Arav, Jashwant, Angad, Aditya Vajari, Ria, everyone. Very good. Excellent. Many of you are correct. Knight f4 check, king g3, knight e2 check, king moves, knight check, king moves. And in case after knight e2, if f into e4, it's a stalemate. Stalemate. Very good. Very good. Okay, so are you guys liking the way we are using the knight in this class? Any thumbs ups or thumbs downs? Anybody who didn't like the class can message me, or if you like also, you can message me. Okay. Okay, white to play. And again, in one move, white is going to be a checkmate. So as it is, our knight will save our game. In one move, that is bishop d5 is going to be a checkmate for white. So how will white save the game? Okay, c4, bishop into c4, b8 equals queen, bishop into g8. Okay, and now the knight f7. In case bishop into f7, it's a stalemate. Everybody writing this that it is bishop into f7, but bishop h7 is another move to escape. And now the knight will come into the game. Knight g5, trying to protect bishop e4. Okay, and 1 second. Yeah, so maybe bishop d3, a waiting move. And here our knight, our friend, will come into the play. Knight f3. And now bishop e4, it's a stalemate. And if something happens, knight into h2, and we are just drawing the game. So again, our friend, the knight, has some question here. After bishop d3, why not knight h3? It's a checkmate. Yeah, good question. Some questions I'm getting. King into f3, king into h2. Jashwant Kumar Chella, I don't know. There is continuously some random message that is getting typed. I request you to see your chat. Okay, guys, it is white to play. And again, we have our friend here. So, Knight became my friend. Is Knight also your friend, guys? Is Knight your friend too? Okay. And I forgot to announce again, like last week, there is a chess tournament at after the class in 2.5 hours. There is a chess tournament conducted by our academy. Anybody who wishes to join can join. I have sent the link in the chat box just now. Continue king a3, knight a2, knight into a7. What? Wait. Okay. So as everybody wrote, first move is knight to b4. That's fine. But if king b1, queen g6 checkmate. Okay, queen d6 check, queen d3 checkmate. But it's not the way. Like I have an option king to a3. Then who will answer me, guys? Kanak Parekh correct. Chakri Bolagani correct. Sri Uma correct. Angad Ahuja correct. Yes, it is knight c2, guys. The reason is if king comes here, queen b4 checkmate. And if king goes here, now tell me, what will you do? It's again a kind of a very interesting exercise. Now, how will white win the game? White is winning the game, by the way. White to mate in one, check, check. Okay, I think check, check, moves, king, checkmate. Okay, white to play and checkmate in 5 moves. Sri Uma correct. Somebody is asking me to go back one move. Knight b4, king a3, knight c2, and then king a2. Now how we will win the game? Nidhi Nagumulla, very good, excellent. Sri Aditya Vaddadi wrong. Kalyan Tota wrong. Akshit Narva wrong. It is queen a3 check, a sacrifice. Rook into a3, knight b4 check. King b1, knight d5. It's unstoppable checkmate. Whatever he plays, knight c3 is a checkmate. Like king a2, knight c3 checkmate. So again, our friend, our knight has saved our game. Okay, somebody has a lot of doubts here. Knight b4. Otherwise, what's your doubt? Please tell. I'm waiting. This is the starting position, Arav. What's your doubt? Okay, somebody written me knight d5, but knight d5 isn't it correct because it is c into d6. Our queen is hanging. Okay, somebody has one more doubt here. Yeah, when the knight is there on d5. No, how b1 equals queen? I didn't understand. It's everything is forced. Everything is till now a check. King to b1 and then knight d5. So how can we promote queen? Guys, the pawns are going this way. Yeah, you can move. Whatever he plays, it's knight c3 checkmate. I think most of you are confused with the pawns, which way they are going. The pawn is coming bottom of the board, okay? Okay, this is white to play and win. How can he has accepted? Nobody is correct till now. No one is correct till now. No one is correct till now. Arnav Krishna correct. Many people writing me this answer knight d5. It isn't correct. It is king b5 and stopping this is very difficult. Anthony Samuel correct. Arnav Krishna, Anthony Samuel are correct. Rahman, correct. Paritosh, correct. Aditya Vadadi, correct. Guys, okay. Rook b8 check. King to a6. Knight d5. Whatever he plays, the next move is rook b. Oh, sorry. Next move is rook b6 checkmate. So rook to c6, stopping the rook coming here. And now again the beauty of knight. Our friend will help us to do checkmate in two moves. What is the move to do checkmate in two moves? Many people are writing knight b4, guys. I'm telling you, the pawn is going likewise. We are just giving away our knight. Aditya Vadadi, correct. Nidhi Nagamulla, correct. Tarun, Nihas Nagumulla, correct. Akash, correct. Akshaj, correct. Sanjeev, wrong. Ishan, I will not go to starting position. Every time I tell something, you are in your moods and go back. No. Okay, guys. Paritosh, correct. Very good. Rook b6 check, rook into b6, knight c7 checkmate. Again, our knight have saved our day. Okay, so white to play, and in one move, it's going to become queen. So how we will save the game? Okay, very good. E4 is the first check. I will not tell it is a stalemate or checkmate. I just need the best moves. In tournament, nobody will tell you what is best or what is worst. King into, knight d2 check, king d3. Bishop moves here to save the pawn to become queen. So king into d4, king to h3. Okay, be careful here. King to h3, g1 equals queen. And now how will you save the game? How will you save the game, guys? Very good. Srijan Mashetti correct. Akash correct. Very good. Everybody is correct. Everyone is correct. Knight f3 check. Knight into f3. It's a stalemate. Wow, I'm really happy to see you guys really doing well now. In the start, most of you are not well answering the right answers, but now you're doing it. One more announcement today, guys. The today's session, I'm not giving break, but we will conclude at like earlier today. The reason is I have a tournament to play. That's the reason we are not doing break and we are continuously doing 1.5 hours and we'll break for today. We will conclude today in another 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so it is bishop e5 here, rook g8, bishop g7, knight into g7, and again our favorite piece, knight at 6. Ishan, what's your problem? I didn't understand. I didn't understand what you wanted to say. Knight at 6, king g8, knight f7, rook g8, and if he loses the rook, it is like we don't have a winning material. If he doesn't lose the rook, it's a repetition. So it's a draw. Okay, guys, it is white to play again. Can white save the game? Okay, but why, Ishan? Is there any reason to for me to mail her just to let her know? Okay, it's fine. Like, Akash, correct. Your first move is correct. Only Akash is correct till now. Angad Ahuja, correct. Very good. Sanjeev Vadivel, correct. Very good. Shri Uma Bandari, correct. Very good, guys. The first move is c7 check. Okay. King into c7. And now knight e8 check, making the king move from that place. King to b7. Okay. And now the next move is very important. I'll tell you a clue, guys. Now the king is there on b7, right? So if opponent queens come to e4, then knight d6, it's a double attack. Or if he takes, it will be a stalemate. Very good, Anushri Nair. Akash correct, Sayant Krishna correct, Kanak Parekh correct, Sri Aditya Vadadi correct, Arnav Krishna Chittibabu correct, Chakri Bolagani correct, Arav Nambiar wrong, Srijan Masheti wrong, Sri Uma Bandari wrong, Arav Reddy correct, Nihas Nagamulla wrong. It's a double attack, a very simple double attack, that is bishop to d3. In case he promotes to queen, that's the only option. Or else what we do, we will simply play bishop e4 and stop this anyways. So he has to promote it to queen. Now bishop e4 check, it's a double attack. Queen into e4 is forced. Knight d6, it's a double attack. So knight into d6 is forced and it's a stalemate. You know, guys, it's an amazing piece. If you use it well, you are the best. White to play, guys. And this time, white is winning. So as I said, every time there will be winners for the most effective participants, I announced the last class winners, and this class winners will be announced in the next class. And whoever got the winning prizes I have announced earlier, please contact me after the class. The gifts will be given to you. Arav Reddy, correct. Excellent. Arnav Krishna Chittibabu, correct. Very good, actually. Arav Nambiar, correct. Okay, guys, most of you, the first move is correct. That is king to b8, and if at all f2, then knight, our friend is helping us to do a checkmate. But here my concern is king to c6, king to b5, sorry. And now your pawn is under attack. How will you continue here? Okay, many people wrote it. Aditya Padilla, where are you, man? Just now I am seeing your name in the answers list. C7, f2, and now what will you play? It's just queen and queen. We may not win the game. Like queen and queen, it's just an equal game. Okay, like just queen two pawns versus queen knight, I don't think we can win the game. Okay, and here there is a very interesting answer. Who is going to answer me? A very brilliant answer. No, Rushil, wrong. Ishan, wrong. Nobody is correct. Yeah, Aditya Vadadi, correct. Very good, excellent. Akash, wow, good. Akash, you seems very super strong today. Good, good. uh, who is going to answer me? Quick, 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 quick. Where are you guys? Come on, come on, come on. Think, think, think. It's white can do a very easy win. White can do a very easy win. Don't concentrate on knight d6 or some checks. See a very brilliant check. Very good, Akash. You wrote already. Akshit Narva, very good. Akshit Narva, very good. And who else, guys? Come on, come on, come on. I think Arav Nambiar, very good. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Whoever is correct, I'm telling it's correct. If somebody is wrong, it's wrong. Shruti Gandhi, very good. Srijan Masheti, very good. Ishan Sharma, very good. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Come on. Shruti Gandhi, correct. It's a queen sacrifice. Somebody asked me the clue. Akash, correct. Akshaj, correct. Sorry. Akshaj, correct. It's a queen sacrifice to either win the queen or do a checkmate with our favorite piece. Nihas Nagumulla, correct. Come on, come on. Quick, quick, quick. No, guys, you're trying to do a draw, but I'm trying to do a checkmate. Nidhi Nagumulla, very good, excellent. Nidhi, maybe your answer is your notation is wrong, but answer is correct. Okay, the Srijan Mashetti, very good. It is queen to a6. If king into a6, knight c7 checkmate. Our friend really helped us again. Angad Ahuja, Paritosh, Anthony Samuel, Aditya Padia, Ishan, very good, very, very good, excellent. See, our friend is really helping us. We should really appreciate him. Okay, and again, we only have our knight to save the game. Can we save the game being like for now the knight is likely a trapped piece. Okay, and how can we save the game? It's white to play and draw. If you lose this, like I will tell the idea of black. Black is trying to go and capture this and simply win with the pawn. Okay, so that's the concept of black. So how will white win? I mean draw. Okay, Arnav Krishna Chittibabu, correct. Anushri Nair, Srijan Mashetti, Rahman, very good. It's King H2, King F2, King H3, King F3, King H4, King F4, King H5, King F5, King H6, King F6. Okay, till here it is good. And now who is going to answer me the correct one? Akash, very good. Nanushri Nair, very good. Vivan Power, very good. No, Aditya Vadadi, wrong. Arnav Krishna, wrong. Arav Reddy, correct. No, many people are writing knight f7, but guys, you have to understand something. It is not bishop into f7. If it is king into f7, we are simply losing our knight. Very good. Arnav Chettibabu, Arav Nambiyar, Paritosh, very good. And Rahman, Tarun Sai Tubati, very good. Vivan, Srijan Mashetti, it's knight g6. Aditya Padia, Angad Ahuja, Akshit Narva, very good. H into g6 stalemate. Wow, really amazing. Okay, white to play. Now white is two pieces down. So how can white manage to draw the game? So it's a kind of a stalemate again, a mirrored stalemate. Very good, Vivan. You're becoming very sharper. And one more thing I would like to announce, in case somebody needs the material of today's session, please do email me. I'll send you my email ID. One second, guys. I'm sending you my email ID in the chat box. Anybody wants today's material so that they can work at later on. This is my email ID. Everybody can email me to that you want today's material. I can send it off. Uh, Nihas Nagumulla correct. Srijan Mashetti correct. I think that's it. Arav Reddy correct. That's it. Angad Noya. Arav, can you write Arav Nambia? Can you write it again? Wrong, Arav. Arav, what is this knight f1? Stupid move. Knight into f1. Okay, guys. The first move here is king to f2. A very interesting move. Knight e4 check, maybe. King to g1. Trying to go. The clue is we have to go as close or as much as possible to the corner. Okay. And now something like knight g4 is been played. And now one of the knight has to come to the d2 square. Then we are making a draw. Okay, so how can the knight, sorry, how will we force our knight? Okay, Anushri, correct. Next, tell me the next move. Mm, Ishan, wrong. Ishan Pandian, correct. Ishan Sharma, wrong. Aditya Vadadi, correct. Nihas, correct. Kanak, correct. Nidhi Nagumulla, correct. Jyoti Sharma, correct. Paritosh, correct. Very good, guys. It is knight c4 check. Wherever the king goes, knight d2, attacking the bishop and the knight. And if knight takes d2, it's a stalemate. If knight doesn't take down d2, f3 is hanging. So we will take on f3 and draw due to insufficient material. Very good, guys. It is the first move is c6, c1 equals queen. Very good. Almost everybody wrote this correctly. I'm very happy seeing this. c7 check. If king a8, c8 equals queen check, queen into c8, knight c7, king b8, knight a6, king moves, knight check, draw. Excellent. And in case by mistake, if opponent king come to c8, knight e7 check, king d7, c8 equals queen check, queen into, knight into, king into, draw. Very good, excellent. I'm surprised like everybody now doing amazingly well. Okay, white to play again. And now the difficulty is the next move is going to become queen, and the rook unfortunately cannot stop. But how our favorite piece will help us to do something, maybe a stalemate, maybe a checkmate, or maybe a forced repetitive moves draw. What can happen? Think, guys. No, somebody is writing knight e1, g1 equals queen, and knight f3. Guys, it is under pin. So I think this is the clue. So it should not be a pin when that happened. That's the clue I can give you. No, wait. Somebody is writing me one interesting answer. E1 equals queen and rook to g4. I was wondering what if king into g4? Arav Nambi are correct. So the first move is Pranav Sai Duvarapu, correct? The first move is rook d1 to stop the pawn to become queen. So likely knight into d1 is forced, and now knight e1. If g1 equals queen, very easy. And here instead of queen, maybe knight c3 check can happen. King a1. And now if g1 equals queen, still it's a stalemate now because it's under pin, but it's a stalemate. No, I think I was answering that only. The first one I was telling it's that if knight is becoming without it's a pin, the knight f3 check is not there, and you have an extra piece on the board. So if something like rook g1, rook g4, king into g4, we have an escaping square to a2. So it's not a stalemate. Okay, white to play, and again our favorite piece will save our game. It seems we can hardly draw because this checkmate, there are a lot of checkmate threats for black. So who will be getting this? Paritosh, correct? Okay, guys. So today a knight saved the game. So in the next class, maybe can we see a pawn save the game? Everybody is ready to see a pawn saves the game. Bishop, we have already seen Ishan a lot for bishop. Okay, so the next week's topic I'm announcing now itself. Pawn. Okay, I'm getting a lot of messages. Pawn will be very interesting, it seems. So who is going to answer me? White to play, white to play, white to play. Answer me. I don't think I didn't see any correct answers till now. Rahman, what do you want here? You are not interested in anything, so what do you want? Better used. What do you want? Tell me. Sri Aditya Vadadi, correct? No other. I think Akshaj, correct? Akash, correct. Very good. Okay, guys. So it's rook h6 check. King into h6. Queen f8 check. King g6. And now Queen g7 check. King f5. Queen f6 check. It's forced for him to exchange. And after exchanging, we are trying to give a check. So king moves and it's a stalemate. It's a stalemate. And if at all he takes it, fine. It is like draw due to insufficient material. Two knights alone cannot win the game. Okay, maybe another one for today. I think we'll stop after this, guys. And as I said, anybody want the material, please email me or WhatsApp me. I can send you today's topic material. And there is a test tournament in another 3 hours from now, which everybody can play. And on next Sunday, the group class is about the pawn can save the game. Anyways, so today, please, we will finalize with this example. Who is going to answer me? Which link, Rahman? The tournament link? Okay, I'll send it to you once. Guys, I have sent it to everyone, the link. Again, I have sent it to everyone, the link. And please shoot out the answers also. I think Arab, you are correct. No, Arav Nambia. Okay, so the first move is knight d3, guys. And in case what can he do? Maybe king f1, knight f2, stopping the promotion. So if king into f2, bishop into g3 check and taking the pawn on h2. And if knight into e5, and then trying to take this, king to h3. If he becomes queen, it's like knight into queen. And if king into f2, king into h2 is coming. So here knight g4, trying to deviate the knight. If knight into g4, he wants to make a queen. So we will take king into g3, still trying to save this. King g1. And here if knight into f2, king into h2 is coming. So king g1. The idea of king g1 is in the next move, knight into f2 will come and he will try to become queen. So knight h3, a very good move. Check. King f1, knight f2, king g1, knight h3, and king h1, knight f2, king g1. It's a threefold repetition because he can't. If and in case he takes it here, king into f2, it's a stalemate. So bishop was never there on g3, guys. Here, if this is the position, the bishop is never there on g3. If king into bishop into g3, king moves, and bishop into king into. It's a draw due to insufficient material. Okay, so I think now everybody started liking the night. Anyways, it's a very wonderful session. I did not finish it early, just for your information. Normally we are giving break, which I just did not give the break and stopping it 10 minutes early or 15 minutes early. I just cut down the 15 minutes break and did a long session. Uh, Everybody have a very good weekend and start your next week wonderfully. Bye, everyone.